Hi there, welcome back to my channel. Today is a random doll haul. We're gonna look at this fresh doll that I just got. I did also pick up a Naturalista. It's a male, his name is Greg. So we're gonna review him. And then I got a doll that I've never got before. My niecey had it and now this is my very first one. And it is a Bratz doll. I've never had a Bratz doll in my life, and I'm really excited to open her up and see, what she's all about. So let's get right into it. So I am going to open up this fresh doll. Her name is Chanel. This is my very first time purchasing a fresh doll, so I'm really excited about that. So I did notice there's some purple paint on her shoes. On the packaging, it says purple bottoms. I guess they're supposed to be like red bottoms, I'm guessing, but they're cute. I'm a little sad about the little paint on the shoes. Here she is right out of the packaging. Her hair definitely can use some help. Chanel does have some articulation. She has movement at the head. She can move her side to side, up and down. Her arms rotate, has nice movement. She has an elbow joint, and she also has a knee joint. So she does have silver post earrings in her ears. They are not removable. And then this dress that she's wearing is silver with it looks like glitter, but it's stationary. Nothing is falling off of the dress. And on the packaging, it says you can style the dress in several different ways. So I did go ahead and give her hair a hot water rinse, and it looks a lot better. The curls are nice and loose, and I love the texture of her hair. It's really pretty. So here is the box, and it shows you the several different ways you can actually style the dress, which is really cool. So on the back of the box, it says, "Hello, I'm Dr. Lisa. I achieved my dreams. I was the first African-American professor to graduate with a doctorate in my area. Then I became the highest ranking professor in the world. I left all of it behind to create authentic, beautiful dolls for multicultural children." So I think that's an awesome message. Now I'm going to unbox Greg, the Naturalista male doll, and I actually love his face sculpt. On the back of the box, it does say Greg is a barber with a business degree, and he basically cuts the athletes and all the celebrities, so he's wanted, which is awesome. Okay, Greg is wearing a light blue t-shirt that says Naturalista's Fade Collection with some tan khakis. He also has some white tennis shoes on, or some white sneakers. On the sneakers, it does have a comb, like a green comb on the side, which is kind of cute. He also has this brown duffel bag. It doesn't open, but it's really cool and classy. On the back of the t-shirt, it does Velcro, and the pants only have elastic that gathers at the waist. So the articulation, he can move side to side, not so much up and down. His arms can rotate up and down, side to side. He does have an elbow joint. There's no chest movement, and no knee joint, and no hip joint, but his legs do move forward and backwards. So now for the Bratz doll, Dana. Let's unbox her. On the back of the box, it says Dana's friends call her Sweet Shoes because when she steps out, she does it sweet. She does come with this poster. It does have a lot of seams in it. And I figured since my dolls now have a Bratz doll, it was time that I got one myself. So there. So here is Dana from head to toe. She has on this coat with fur on the collar and the sleeves, a shirt and a skirt up underneath, along with open-toed shoes. She comes with this purple brush. She has an extra pair of jeans and a gold tank top. And she has an extra set of feet with different pairs of shoes. And finally, these pink sunglasses. Her hair is really soft except for like these stringy pieces in the front. It does have a lot of product in it. This is how she looks without the coat on. She is articulated. She can move her head up and down, side to side. Her arms rotate and they're really flexible. And she has a bend and snap knee. And her legs can go out just a little bit. No hip movement. So my primary reason for getting this Bratz doll, please don't come for me, and I'm sorry if you love Bratz, that's great. My niece loved Bratz, there's nothing wrong with Bratz doll, but I want to put her on a curvy made to move Barbie doll, and that's the reason why I got her. So that's what I'm gonna do. And since I'm actually swapping the Bratz doll with the Barbie Looks doll, which I love her face sculpt, I'm going to put the Barbie Looks doll on the tall Barbie doll that has a made to move body. So I'm going to be doing a lot of swapping today. So here we go. So per usual, you put all the dolls in a plastic bag in boiling hot water in a heat safe bowl. So that's what I'm doing now. So I'm going to let them sit there for about 40 seconds to maybe 60 seconds. And then we're going to go from there. Then you just remove the heads from the dolls like this. And while the heads are still soft, you just add them to the body like this. So now I'm going to open this Barbie Fashion Pack that I got off Amazon for $25. It came with 5 different pouches, so let's just open them up to see what we're gonna get. In the first pouch, we have shoes and accessories. In the next pouch, we also have shoes and accessories. The last 2 pouches were clothes. So here's all the shoes that was in the fashion pack. And here are all the accessories that were in the fashion pack as well. So now I have dressed all the dolls in all the clothes, and I have put on the majority of the shoes, including the accessories. And we're just gonna go through them one by one so I can show you all of the items. So we have this ruffled tank top, 1-sleeve blouse, I should say, along with this flower printed skirt and the yellow little purse and the turquoise or teal open-toed shoes. It's absolutely adorable. Here's how it looks in the back. No Velcro closures. The material is stretchy. So the next item is this bow dress, and it's black with a pink bow. I did put the purple boots with the ruffles on the side, which are adorable. And this is on a classic Barbie. Those hot pink shoes, I could not get them on any of the dolls. They were either too big or too little. Here is how the dress looks in the back. So the next dress is this tulle on top rainbow dress with the orange open-toed sandals. Her feet are tiny, so I put those on her. She also has the lavender bag. And here's how the dress looks in the back. It has absolutely no closures, and there are clear straps. Next item, we have this faux patent leather metallics vest with this flowered checkerboard dress, and it's multicolored. It's really pretty. And then I did pair it with these open back flats, lavender in color. Here is how it looks without the vest on, and it does Velcro in the back, and it has white straps. Then my curvy Bratz doll is wearing the black dress. It has a tulle sheer dress overlay. She's wearing the silver necklace along with that, and she also has on the white sneakers. That's how I look in the back. The black dress and the tulle little overlay doesn't have any Velcro. Next we have the argyle sweater vest along with the pink skirt. She has on the purple flat sneakers and the turquoise, or yeah, the little light turquoise visor. Here's how it looks in the back. The sweater velcros and the skirt is elastic. Next we have the pink sunglasses along with the hot pink Barbie logo dress. There's also some hot pink sandals. The translucent butterfly clutch, that's also pink. Here's how it looks in the back. It absolutely has no Velcro. This is my last outfit. We have the striped off the shoulder shirt with the Barbie faux jeans, with the Barbie logo jeans with the pink shoes. The shirt velcros and the jean has an elastic band. I'm going to be now opening the LOL Surprise Mini Sweets Ball. I did lose the footage. I'm not sure what happened. I don't think I was recording, but at any rate, here is the collector's guide. And here you see all the possible mini little LOL surprise dolls that you can get in this particular series. And here is the back of the collector's guide. They're so cute. I wanted to unbox the mini brands My Mini Baby, but my order was received. I don't have a ship date as of yet. They were on sale for you buy 2 balls for $15.99, but now Amazon is saying they're unavailable. So I'm still waiting. So at any rate, I'm gonna open up the LOL surprise ball. So here we go. So in the very first bag, you get a Tootsie Pop little backpack. It's so cute, it's adorable. And then in the other tissue paper, you get shoes for the baby. Then we also have some sunglasses or reading glasses. They do have a tint on them. We have the baby bottle. And then here is the outfit. And the next little baggie or tissue paper is a cap for a cap and gown, I guess. In the only bag that was in the capsule, we have the baby. And it looked like it's Miss Pop. Thank you for joining me today on my random doll haul. I appreciate you so very much. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell. Follow me on Instagram at Mama Doll Boss. I'll see you next time. I hope all of you have a wonderful day. Again, you guys are awesome. And bye.